How to turn off Instagram calls. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can turn off Instagram calls, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to turn off Instagram calls, all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Now you can't really turn off Instagram calls, but instead what you can try to do is you can just try to limit the calls to some specific area. So you can just mute that certain person by just tapping on the profile, tapping the mute option, tapping on the mute messages option, and until you change it. After you've done that, you can also make sure to basically mute, or you can also restrict that person in order to turn off calls, because by default your Instagram app will not let you go ahead and then basically just disable the calls out of the blue. The another thing you can try to do is, if you don't want to get notifications for calls, you can just turn off notifications by opening settings, going to notifications, and then simply looking for the Instagram application here, and then just turning off notifications here. After you turn off notifications, you will not receive any sort of calls unless you open the Instagram app itself. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.